Everyone. Today I'm going to show you a really exciting video of how AI can help you build amazing websites from templates really easily. So let's basically take this template, which is a business offering multiple services. It's a single web page served using Next.js, and this is on the local host, right? Let's look a little bit deeper into the structure. Um, and then, okay, let's also remember that the goal of this is to be able to make a website for a specific music conservatory, and using the style here, but the all of the unstructured information that's provided by the music conservatory, right? So the structure of this website is, it's built in Next.js. It has an app folder which has the pages, which is in this case it's containing just the layout and the actual page. There are reusable components, and then images and other assets are in the public file. Now, Music Doremi here is the conservatory, and it has a lot of information, including like bios of all the various amazing artists, as well as teacher list about and all of that. Cursor does not like the word format, and so yeah, I will have to create a new file and start to copy and paste all that content, right? So about us, cursor. Yeah, let's just keep going ahead and doing that. I'm just gonna paste this teacher list here. And those are the most useful information. There's also testimonials, which is quite good. All right. All right. Now that we have that information, let's give it this prompt. You need to completely change this, completely adapt. You should have distinct pages for about, faculty, make events, contact, instrument rentals. Make sure you have contents and move relevant faculty images to the public directory to render. Make this beautiful and presentable. All right. In the meantime, look at this video of me playing Sweet Child of Mine on electric guitar. All right. I'm just going to accept all. Let's see how it goes. I'm curious how the website looks now. All right. So there you go. Let's check it out. Let's see. About welcome to Music Deremy. Blah blah blah. Okay. Faculty. Let's see how the faculty page looks. That doesn't seem to be working. Um, okay. About. Yeah, so the navigation bars. Navigation bars are not working well. I don't know what's going on. Okay, events. This page seems to be running very slow. Hmm. The navigation bar seems messed up. Showing. So fix it. Remove chaos control. Let's see how that works. It's looking pretty good already. Like at least you're seeing some events. These look beautiful. Let's see how much it can do like better. I don't know how much of a bill I'm really racking up on the GPT side of things. Okay. Yeah, you probably wouldn't just like willy nilly just like accept all, especially when you're making such drastic changes. But right at the beginning, when you're completely revamping one template to another one, you might just tend to just get the thing to work, and then after that, then be very like specific on the changes. Right? Okay. Seems to be broken. Let's try to compile it again. Oh, okay. It seems to be broken. Let's try to compile it again. There's an error. Just put it in here. Awesome. So let's see now. About. It works. Welcome to Music to Remy, your local destination for all things music. We believe music has the power to transform lives, right? So this is looking pretty good. Let's see about faculty. Oh, faculty has an error. See events. Events is working. Oh wow, instrument rentals is working. This also looks pretty good. Contact. Nice. Look at that. All right. The only thing that's not working is faculty. Ooh. Look at that. It, this is where it doesn't look great. Like I agree. Granted, it's not something that you'll just put out there, but this is amazing that it managed to pick those particular people and put them here. So let's make sure we have the right picks. Um, so we go to the bios. Let's look at Annie. So this is Annie. Annie photo. There you go. Yep, that's her. All right. This is David, and it also got what instrument they teach, right? So this has saved like a ton of time. Um, yeah, and now it's just like you can now play with this and ask it to give you cards, right? So one for piano, one for violin, etc. Um, but yeah, this is looking pretty good. um I can just ask it to modify the homepage, right? Let's just keep that as the final touch. Make the homepage about music doremi. Make the whole website add testimonials, events. Let's see how it does. Oh, look at that. Welcome to Music Doremi. Learn more about us. Your destination for all things music in Johns Creek. Testimonials, upcoming events, instrument rentals. It's all in there, right? The footer is not tailored. All of this is like from the previous website, right? But it's mostly there. And then it's for you to now take it and do some 20% of modification on this. But it's a great starting point. And that's where AI can really help you build websites that can get you started. You don't have to be a very good like expert at all of these technologies, like Next.js and all of that. And that's why you just need to know what logic you need and how you want the website to look. And that's pretty much it. All right. Thank you all so much for watching. And I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.